with word for word SRT downloaded, you will find yourself with a zip file that you will need to extract. You may need WinZip or 7-zip in order to do so. Once extracted, you will find a folder, Polley Word for Word SRT. Double click that and you will see the program Polley Word for Word SRT. That's what we want. Double click that, let it load for a minute, and you will find something just like this. You may choose files, selecting one or many files at a time. For this example, we're just going to go ahead and select this one, and you click the transcribe and download button. It will transcribe until this bar is gone. Once it's gone, it's done. You double click on the uploads folder that is next to the program itself, and your SRT and original video file or MP3 or audio file will be there. Now just drag and drop that SRT into Premiere Pro and you are ready to rock with your word by word SRT captions.